relation to Atiti. Who tell you Atiti won't marry that woman? That man, the fool himself, it isn't Atiti the fool. Asaboro the fool herself, it isn't Atiti, now she the fool. The fool herself. The fool at old age, it isn't Atiti, now she the fool. When I'm not deceiving myself, Papa with a smile, I know they support evil. Who want marry that one? Who want marry that one? Atiti, you look at Atiti, go marry that one. So much, when they strike a calculation, no be evil person. When they strike calculation for those kind of things, no be evil person. We don't like good thing for Atiti. Because if we like good thing for Atiti, Atiti there for Spain, you not get documents. Asaboro there for UK, you not get documents. We don't expect to be the 12 they come marry. Sister, you can marry okay. How they want to marry? You think now those kind of relationship not still at his old age. At his old age, if Atiti is your senior brother, you go advance Atiti make it look for those kind of small picking a more baba relationship at this kind of time. None they use brain. A bomber had I love you, a bomber at this kind of time. When Atiti they go to carry grandfather. Now you will the president, the leader of Bois. Who you will be a boy, minister, the second loud. Who period away forever. You soon will in the Uroa. No cosa gelawe. Oh, was Zuana. You think that a relationship for him? No, very high jump. Of near high jump, no, near him, or that is on the highest to put it to the highest level. You think when we're getting in those kind of nyama relationship I go approve on. Oh, Azuana. It's what kind of relationship is that on? What is about the wait for by this kind of never still marry? If is she good as not the penitent for live video? A character man as not the penitent for live video, as she depend herself to be for live video. Waiting on the wait for one never grab once is there. What the men they wait for? Benin men. They wait for when they never grab answers then. We be say, it is like, see me after you want to know, when I don't understand. Those kind of game where somebody want to play with Atiti. Now only Atiti go fit play on with you. Those kind of game, as you not plan that crook, as I borrow and you talk to so as you not plan that crook, you only Atiti you go fit use and take food. You understand? Best person like me, you don't use and take food me. You understand me so? Person like me, you don't use Ogu go kill all of you. Both you Asaboro, both you Enogie, both Owoke Enogie, both Riafi Ajekbako and Owokan Waya Asungu. I think Biagano go. I mean whatever the woman, I be a god woman. But they hard work here. Stupid set of women, useless beneath set of women. Wag bell wag bon. I was shower. Well, on your GPC gun. Now I can set them up. GPC gun. You don't tell me my plan. Before on the plan, I already know what's on the plan. Don't say I don't know the kind of targets when I define. Wag bell. Because they call the gold platform. They beg. Who you they beg for? They beg for Atiti. Tell me how, which kind of reasonable women equal Inec. How many who know Inec no tower to teach your body? Don't know Inec no tower to teach your body. I will you go and I have tower to teach your body. What have you ever seen me do it? Bono Okonoro the Bay of Hoya. Niro was zoo on the right bona because one oh. Okono that one I go on 100 of one work near you. Let me play your video or zoo. These are the toy called women. There are some dignity women, responsible women that will respect. Every time I go to home, no one I hear you. I watch you well. Be a gamu. The school of you. Everyone you are what can frustrate, what can win a coffee, but you are not conwa job. You said, too flat in Nigeria. Okay, I need Yamari Nogi. Bien chimi chako yo wani wa se wa ru agboyi wa gbe wa gbon wa sun What going Saburo be ya call you are a very useless woman for even calling to apologize on the behalf of Atiti. Don't want who were getting was when Asaboro were getting Zua. When Asaboro go is Zua say Asaboro now you come mumu pass. So you they wash Enogi, stupid wife. When Enogi they come at they call they insult Atiti. You are a very stupid woman. You teaching about this one, all this one they want to like you. They want to like you, not they want to marry you. You are useless set of woman. Now in the same category. Zua. They no get book bay attitude. Where were you, Asaboro? And they ask you. They no get book bay attitude. Where were you? Where were you? Well, the stupid or someone say, "Oh, I thought you were one, but the phone of Atiti." They are coming as another beg women. Which women? Who be women? Who be women? Which woman? We don't really Pierre it's like of Yami, Okusa, from your beginning to the end. Wow, Bell, Kuaka Jebono, Jebone for one. I'll say you're not boo, I say you. I'll say you're if you for one I did, they will see a pluna. All this our women with door with Mommy with butter and boo. Yeah, you boo, I order if you will say on it. A no gay, or we are no gay, and winner, a belly. Working permits, Egway. What's in my young winner? Wow, Bill. Yeah. On a tagway, I'll be what take Beku. What don't know equal? When I take you. When I take you.
I'm trying to arrange my apartment so that my apartment can be the best. You don't see me.
Ah, you want to see me? You need to be video again. Oh, Beckham. Who is the idea? I mean, I'm not going to give out money. So I say, I'm not going to give you it.
Now, yo.
On zoom live video. Yeah, il va zoom live video. Ouais, il est vrai. Et l'autre gars est où for one. Oh, mais quand il y a matin, mota. Gars est vieux. Et pendant que nous va uni, gars est soumi. The other Mugu, we are a mass worker at Jebo. Only car with video now, Sonia, who can all who I will be video will be now. Now I feel you, my home. You understand? So you are free within imagine. When was when we appeared in a sag, it's like it's going to allow a giver. A year and I sag one year me. It's sagging if you or a bassway. In ready because without even with the boy, you know. Una we dag mo dag sag ho ya hia e dag sag no ha ya hia na biu sag no ha ba be giwa we wo be hiu ba wa e be wa hia e be akpodo adi no de o hia hia me tell you ugu ka sag mato do start me na when wari you want to water place sag we indie ma e ma gbe be ti we na wa di mo appear dead e sag ho ya la we giwa from begin to the end no we sag ya so polo le sag no ya mo to wa sun wo de na wo wa ami when na bolo now let me go to Ajekpako Nason. Ajekpako did the video. Be a girl, mama, you were a kekebe, wa soon, or kekebe was soon. Ajebo lawa. Uwe ya legit belly. Uma was saga to a saga. What's the one of the saga? What's the one of Asaboro is a snitch. That's the reason why I'm going to insult Asaboro. It might be topic. Or then it might be near. If I write the name comment on my platform, you go know the capacity where they come back with a smile. If I write Asaboro name comment, you go know the day where they're born, the day when they enter Europe. I go come tell you on the history of Asaboro. Now me go disgrace them on the social media if you don't take time. Because the way they cross the boundary. You understand? You don't cross the boundary. I me go disgrace them if you don't take time. Not be joke. Now just small warning. Now I give them so. Because if he good by 9 for your husband's house. Not be never gonna use. You want to say you want to fool at Atiti. I bet you know I'm fool in the fool. Are you stupid? You just say that which kind of rubbish and stupid the next thing be the one. Now people like when they want marry. You just say Atiti want to marry. You to say maybe not be brainwashing. Want to try brainwashing. Few days now where I just say boom. I never ever call Atiti. You know your brainwashing. Few days. Atiti is not a joke. Atiti is not a joke that they joke. So maybe not a joke, no more joke. I don't know, say, Atiti devil they send you money, maybe you say buy phone. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? When Atiti send you go give you no be the phone. When are UK, no winner, no be Spain, no do I send you go the phone. You never even come out now. You dey call the beg people. You never, if you be really good wife, you don't ever plan with her on how you go take get paper. You were the UK, in this Spain, talk will not get paper. I don't want to see. Show me your breast, show me your quick relationship. At his old age, who are mono? We no get over jet party. Asaboro, were you not on social media? Umadere. We no get over Atiti. Asaboro, me they ask you, you know the social media, you not see them. What did you do? What did you do? We no get over Atiti. What did you do? Now come out, Asaboro, come out and measure the women that said Atiti Robian. You are measuring in your live video. Oh, Abi will not tie what Atiti Robian. Those who in your live video, no one else in your live video, but me ask that way. Because I watch the video where you tell what it way equal boom, no way Robian. When man like no suru ya people not you we ni. Abi will not you we come we get Atiti Robian. When no suru ye ni ya. Mondo saga we. You understand? Man, we are here doing on social media. It's not that our way on social media because our way to agree. You understand? We have what I call a platform. Different people do I beg not the same people that have humiliated Atiti. Atiti get this one over here. Elles sont 60. Elles sont en 60. Atiti get this one over here. Even Atiti over here. Atiti one live ko bito o Atiti nene. Atiti na wala de live no so aro even Atiti no here. We wanna lo la jalo so ni ya ipo na Atiti no here na ni ko no call you where Atiti ro wi ani. Me one may you come out, come measure those women name. Once you measure those women names, see Atiti, this one says Atiti cousin, this one says Atiti cousin. Then you are free. Very a saga my way, a war piano. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You understand me so? Because if you get this character where you perform for social media all this while, men for don't marry you. When it men full social media where they find woman, you dey live video. If you say your character good as you dey print time to be, where to make you never see marriage is there. You understand me, man? I like the name when you were cordial. When we were pretty now. What you say, God? Oh man, you see the guy on this side. Wait till they saw. I know I laugh. Guy, I'm not laughing for you, I beg. You understand? Wago back one, wago back one. On you get a topic. I can't tell you, know. Or rule Latin, other one come out to see. You are a madman. You are a madman. More time. Over how it be a jamon, Unuyata. Oh, sound say it be a jamon who I know. I talk with my own mouth. You are a madman. Igbe agiano. More time we was always say igbe agiano wa shi wele a chi poto. E kworo. U kodolo mu yuwa. Okono mama. Okono mama mu yuwa. Oko dan. Okono duk ya gwan. Okbe ke agwan fi pe iwe koko. Bodo o gbe lo to go. Owo kan we. Okwe do ni ma ni gbe. O ta fi agwan ya gunu. Ai ko na rie. Ni agunu. Oh, well, you're one, oh, that's why I where who are we baby, what tell you to what tell you background. Yeah, just take the same women, useless set of women. Tell me, what are you going to train your children with? Tell me what your children want to learn from you, this same group of women. Or what can't give? Tell me what their wife want to learn from them. When their husband is talking, they are talking. Women that got no respect for their husband. Because you are you are. Look at yourself. You about they see yourself. Now you they talk so. And they play and you see yourself, they talk.
So everybody get what they tell you. But the truth has to be said.
You see Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. I will have this is there. This sound is saying Latin. What be you prove? They talk say Saburo they beg. Sound say they talk say and I say but nowhere. You are a very useless woman. You are bola we. You are bola we. My guy, Atiti not the marry that kind of woman. I mean, they tell you, if you be really woman, we get sense, woman we get. So Atiti be presenter, the girl presenter fine, which is good. You can find your love anywhere. If that woman are really woman, will really get sense. Not be the way they go about so. Relationship, whether they even their relationship, I don't even know. Because me, I know they know the relationship. With the handwriting written on the wall, I know the girl don't like Atiti. Now plan work for the girl to come up. Since the girl say Atiti gather interest in her. Because I only left now, they know the secret now. When I know the right congratulation, I want to expose the secret to you, which this girl know. Which she know. Which between me and she know. Then I plan work. With Atiti innocence. Atiti no you know anything. The girl now want to use brain for Atiti. The brain when she want to use for Atiti, now me no agree. Now me this saga so we start so. And I go sagaran till you go see husband. I mean to tell you. Because this year, I thought I said not go better for many people. Not be joke. One, the same brain that she want to use for me. Now this morning I crush her this morning. The same brain, if you watch the video what she do this morning, when she reply me lacking, the video where this girl they reply me lacking, I stayed like 3 minutes to watch her talking about the relationship between her and Atiti. I don't watch Milaki. Definitely, before she replied Milaki, definitely Milaki does say something. Now she was talking. During her talk, I get that sense for that talk, see me. She wants to try to bring Atiti to light, say, make you know the insult woman. You understand? She wants to try to bring Atiti calm, Atiti down. Not because she did in relationship with Atiti. Yes. Not because she did in a relationship with Atiti. This is one thing, one clear to people. This woman she's not in a relationship with Atiti. She don't love Atiti. She just see Atiti like her. Atiti gather interest in her. You understand? So I block you. And he said, Adam, I'll block you. Because you know where if you wait, you understand where they talk to. People will get sense, now they here. People will not get sense, now they stay here. You understand? People will get sense, now they stay here. This woman want to try to bring Atiti to her own side. What do you say? The side of Atiti not going to talk again. You understand? She want convert her Atiti to decide where she not going to talk again. Where she going to be that kind of man, where woman will come to sit down on top. You understand? That kind of man, where woman will sit down on top. Truly, she don't love Atiti. And she herself no say, Atiti don't go. She never talk now. If una they look me and they use brain, when they do live video 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, I write for a platform say, our wife, what did she talk? She debunk her immediately. For those who they listen now, make una they hear. When Asaboro they do live video, I just go there type our wife. She debunked that statement immediately. Now the same person, now you they call say na Atiti girlfriend. The same person, now they go to beg people will be say, you even offend Atiti, we're supposed to come beg Atiti. What kind of stupidity be that one? Una they mad? You they crazy? Person when you insult Atiti, you they go to beg her on behalf of Atiti. Which kind of woman you be? Which kind of evil woman you be? Hello? Who be this? I greet you. Good evening, Mao. Good evening, Mao. Hello, Shale. I don't know what I'm Baoni. But boy, Urbana. Kosiwala. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay, because problem, Mark me back later because I'm on the show now. Right now, I'm on the show. So, might save the number because you allow. Let's say 1 hour time. Okay. Yeah. All right, now, thank you. All right, no problem. Ciao, ciao. Yes. Now, as I was saying, I'm going to listen. I want to rush this thing. We'll come down, small. Because I'm not quit. I'm not spend much time. Just want to let. I just want to let the news say all this news. All this news when they carry up and down. You know, clear. This year debunked that statement where I make say our wife. She debunked her immediately. That's what she say. She not gets anything to do with Atiti. Apart from say she just want full Atiti for social media. Or they understand me so? She just want full Atiti for social media. She not get anything to do with Atiti. You understand me? Okay, now, when she dey explain, when she dey reply me like today, she dey make statement of, you know, she want try break Atiti, make Atiti learn English. You want teach Atiti English, you don't go school. You understand? You want teach, the first thing you don't want to read and write, you don't mean say you go school. You want teach Atiti English. you not even know anything. You understand? You dey feel me so? That one side. Fine, everybody's bound to learn. Now small. Secondly, I constantly gather something from our words when they come up for our man. That is, she not really want date Atiti. She just want bring Atiti down to come like apologize to people where Atiti insults. Like Atiti, you feel say Atiti they Chris just they insult people they go. No people step into Atiti toes. Like tell me, none people step into Atiti Atiti not a live video presenter. Something bring Atiti to live video. Atiti cry out for his wife with he come on liver. Many presenters they bust into it. They start to use it against Atiti. Before make Atiti come out on social media. Say okay now Wagiman learn live video. All of us bought into the live video. So which one be say you want to form sense, say you want to form pretend, say you want to beg for Atiti, you go to call your enemy, they beg for them. Oh, you dey okay. Sister, you can man dey okay. You don't have to live for the ring road. You understand? Let us tell ourselves the truth. This is the reason why I the part of all these our women. If I know get ya wunu. Food where you know say you not go chop. Don't use and rub mouth. That girl knows say she not get anything to do with that. She knows say she not go feed that Atiti. She just want to bring Atiti, full Atiti for social media with all this can. So okay, why this and these two people you gonna call? What's it make you come this and these two people have to insult? Why you not call Monica? And they ask Asaboro these questions. Why this and this stupid so-called man, Ajebo, where using no woman to do prostitution for Spain? Don't pound. Come follow once more. I shower we see for Italy. Why this and this so stupid man, Enogi, and his stupid so-called wife? Where do you be a getaya for Italy? Come Jamie, call the born single mother. Claim single mother. Why this and she? Where Enogi they insult Atiti? Enogi and Atiti are age mates. Why Asaboro not call Enogi say Enogi want to insult Atiti again? When Enogi they insult Atiti, why Enogi wife not tell Enogi say every table no better than way? Enogi supposed to apologize to Atiti for age. Enogi say no Atiti. Atiti say no Enogi. Then Enogi no apologize to Atiti. This stupid so-called woman call herself Asaboro. They go they call Enogi. They beg Enogi. Say for waiting. No, if I want to ask, your so-called wife Enogi, not be big, call you to call do. I be call you to come carry do baby nurse. He call you to come learn work. He call you to come go school. Don't be asking when they can't do. Asking poto. Don't be can't do. What he call they pay you for body for inside? Which one he call they pay you for body so that they talk so your wife can't do it biaga? Not be big biaga, your wife can't do. You know bonus madam. You know use biaga one interview the house. What's your stress? What's your problem? What do you call the phone big boy put say that they call your wife Ashawo? Don't be Ashawo your wife can't do. They pull life for your head. They pull life for your wife. Hey, say no be no do omiyong. What do you call the cry put? Say you want enter saga. Who cares if you enter saga? Now you go say wrong. Before you tell they never break, your data go finish. Who cares? You are a madman. When I insult Atiti, now me go beg. I don't get to tell you now, you don't hear. I mean, tell you now. When me insult Atiti, now this same live video now come out, apologize to Atiti, and I still call Atiti for the same live video. Apologize to her. I insult Efei, I still come out for this same live video, and I apologize for Efei. If you don't know, go watch the video as well. Go watch the video. If you forget, make I tell you now. I come out categorically. All the people when me insult for live video, I come out apologize to them for live video. I'm not for backyard. You are a madman. Where are we what if we move in going? Agbada no webu. Agbada no yori to buria asali you. Who you just know webu? How can you imagine? Agboya sagbada when I import of ramu ade webu. Usuwa goyo uwa goyo. You think I leave you? You will be allowed to love you way. I'm not going to forgive you, Victor. Who forgive you? Me forgive you. Wa asung. Who work on wa asung. Me go come forgive you. Umangala want the frank us here. Church Michael we are no about me. You understand? Me may forgive you well. Wa asung. E go bi no ma agbon. All the way that Atiti for me Inec if you no get we. Ya go no ya ye wi ya ta bo what you mude. Maybe will not be here for this world. I never see twins we call that the family no go get rest of mine. Apart from you. You know the pick sense from anything they tell you because who's Zoa? There's nothing where person go tell you where you go pick sense from. I make kind viva. No yaro we Dimothy. See your life today. Trouble upon trouble, problem upon problem. Now you fall inside. You don't get sense. They don't teach you sense. They don't teach you sense. Asaboro, you want to draw your leg come out? If you draw your leg come out, you know me. Not draw your leg come out. This one I want this video. You know, see, I don't write your name. I don't feel right to make my platform. I don't write your name come out for you. Not draw your leg come out to. I test you. Oh, yeah, I don't science tell me way. You know yourself. Not draw your left, come out. If you make me talk for this live video, not draw your left, come out to. Now just warning. I'm not threatening you. You know me. That's my fan. I go the little. Unumena Emma. You just want to tell you that stop. Really chayoji. Okarayo. That's a buela via. When we are going to UK, the UK, is started UK, Made UK, yellow UK. You call me this early morning. How can you imagine? The same as Aboro, when you tell us on a plan work. I just make semo with better banga soup. Now I salima. What you look me like Atiti, are you stupid? Now what early morning? What you makabe to over? Next one to say, Frank, what you go out of your who? The next, you just call person in the morning. First thing early morning, you just call me, Frank. What you go out of your who? Go out of your who? Like seriously? Now, my friend, are you mad? You have to area. What you we don't know what are you cool? Oh, go working. Oh, go working, go working boy. Where go? You don't know. You will know what you are. You all keep your mouth shut there. Yes, I insulted the Murphy and I still beg the Murphy. Yes. Now this is a live video I still doing. You know, I will reply you now. I insulted the Murphy, I still beg the Murphy. You not be like you would say you be your godfather. Your godfather, you beat him. I see your life today. Everybody now insult you. Even your own goddaughter saga you. Your own goddaughter, he saga you. He insult you. Don't even insult you. He break your children, picture come out, he write recipe peaceful. He break head for your children. You understand? Double. Everything when you do person, they do you double. Everything when you do person, they do you double. Oh, where double no, double ya way, double. We are in boy. Why is all these things happening to you? Why la work bon? A boy la work bon. The same house in Wayena. The first day at the Murphy Keto, the first day you enter the house, a boy la. I was saga we. I was saga we. At the Murphy la you only were always saga. And you know only was a saga prayer. A saga we ya end you wani or he has by one. You start that house with saga, you leave that house with saga. Do my hand go ya explain man make na nwa because one we the boto e tuni no gbeni o se ere nwa na le ho na la we o se na nwa na go ya ha make na nwa no look here. The first day no ya la go na na be viva na e boya la o u ya we la hiwonia e boya ya la hin no ye le yi u ve gade bomu hia na guy go give your life to Christ. I test you, go give your life to Christ. See, Pastor Grace will not get grace. Use your brain. Use your area because you dog me. You understand you now? Who I ever come one money the buto. Was all by when I'm a buamu. You understand? Who I'm money the one salokuta. He block wow when he was one, he block wow because I go home back or you he like him and he one wow was so why I will have done for me. Why I will be buamu. But why comment why you know that I wait for me why we want to boy and be time why I will be buamu. Wow, I will be with the I will be with it. Oh, no, I by now, 30 something years, 38 years, Umay marry. Umay boyfriend, Umay toaster. Why will Mr. Find it up, better man. Why why look here? Saboro enter ask me, carry your young make shame the day or face, eh? But let me talk to you. They worry you. I'm calling form sense, yes, now you better pass. That's like serious, now you good pass. You good. Now, you monarchy when you walk by that. Now let me talk. Don't just let me open my mouth talk. If you be better woman, you don't need to go to follow them, they go to bed. Now go to call you for platform, they go to bed. Go to call you for platform, go to bed, say you be better woman. Who you want to fool? You want to go to fool at Atiti? For those small children. Are you mad? Atiti na wife. Are you serious? I've been at Ajebono, no, for many years in Spain. Now you go to call the beggar. Are you stupid? Well, So they worry you. Not let me talk to you. Just let this one be the first and the last. I go see that kind of stuff for Facebook. Or worry way. Get be lucky no hoa. No way be no yere. Be lucky no mo give yere. You do gwan matter to you egbe wa. Not they mad. Useless set of women. Me lucky na go feel no milky. No zaga, no mo agbonyeji. Na we. Me can say tin ye we. Na gari o ya get do me. Na get me we. Me say de yo ni go wan ku. Na we. Ana ye me we. Be ni ya wa se na. Ai ni bi edo no be ladian. Ai do we. Na we do sin yo se ni wo wa. Na we me. Emi ni me wa wa ira gun. A di me we. O ma do ajo ya na do